Hi, come in. Thanks for coming to visit. I just thought I'd show you today around my home. Everybody asks me where I live, what I have on the walls. Am I really as outrageous as I am in my showroom? So I thought I'd just show you a few things today. So yes, I may have 2 palm trees in my kitchen, and yes, I do love just a little bit of the old animal print, and I like the contrast animal print particularly. So let me take you through. So this is my kitchen, so probably my favourite room in the house, just because that's where I get to show hospitality, and that's what I love really. So come on through. So yeah, we do have a very big dining table because I love to cook and I love people to come. And yes, I do like a little bit of bling, as you can see. It's not just for the showroom, it's for my home too. Come through. I like to sit here in the mornings. That's quite a nice place for me to sit. And then here we go right through to our lounge area. And yes, we do have a Mona Lisa on the wall. It's a little bit crazy, right? Yeah. So, and then, yeah, this is our main lounge where we sit in the evenings. So a nice roaring fire, which goes both through to the dining room and to the lounge. We do love a chandelier, as you know. We have chandeliers everywhere in the house, even when you're have a low ceiling. We love a chandelier. It just brings that elegance and opulence that we love. And then this is our sunroom, so we love to sit in here. Pete particularly loves to sit in here and look at the heron, because the heron, we've got a pond just down there, and the heron just he goes down, gets a frog in his mouth, and it's a bit like watching a horror film really, because the legs of the frog are hanging out and he's going gook, gook, gook. And anyway, that's our top entertainment. We don't need a telly here, we just watch the heron in the evenings. And so again, Pete loves these sort of egg chairs that just cocoon you and you can sit back, and we're a bit old now, so we need somewhere to rest our head. And just, this is a bit like a homage to our quirky side. We love the heads, and the obviously the zebra running out of the wall is a little bit bizarre, but we love the quirks of all these things. These are my new favourite things. I know they're only a lamp, but love a bit of neon. So yeah, and these tables, just so cool. And then come through to our snug area. So again, you'll see as you go through, we have all these Persian rugs everywhere. We love our rugs. They're so durable. You know, the grandchildren will run through here with their muddy feet, and then they just hoover up and they're like brand new. So much cheaper than a good quality carpet, but actually does the job. And more animal prints, as you can see. Love our dogs with the big ears. This is our family, so obviously this is a family home where we live, and so it has all the people that I hold dear to me. And this is my church family, so I go to church in Halifax, Grace Baptist, and these people are all very important to me. Neighbours coming through. Oh, excuse the hoover. Yes, it is a real home. And this is actually our TV room, which is just a relatively small TV because we concentrate on the view a lot more. This is one of our sofa beds, and this room was particularly designed around Pete's, my mother-in-law's, when she comes to stay, because she can't quite make the stairs. So it doubles up as a sofa bed, snug room, so she can come and sit and enjoy the view, but also have a nice bedroom where she doesn't have to climb stairs. And then through here, sorry, we've got a bit of renovation happening here. So this is just like our utility room, but then into a very over-the-top downstairs bathroom, which again was designed around Pete's mum being able to have accessibility. So we have the bathroom, but interestingly, again, even the small spaces in my home, I like to really pimp up. I don't like to leave any element of the home, not dress. So if you just have a look behind here, you've got one of our cabinets which we love, and I've made that into a sink unit. It was actually just meant to be a console table, but it just gives that double use, but also the quality in terms of the quality of drawers. You know, when you get bathroom cabinets, I really hate them because they're just really cheap, whereas these are tongue grooved. So if you get any water damage, it's not going to inhibit the lifespan of the console table, which I think is quite important. And again, I like to source things myself. So this sink, I think, was only about £49 on eBay, but it's just really nice. It's got sort of gold running through it, which everyone knows I love a bit of gold. And then this mirror, it wouldn't have been normal to have a bathroom mirror like this, so I like to put things where other people wouldn't put them. And these lights are just a little bit extra. And then above, I've gold leafed the ceiling, which is, I don't know whether you can have a look at that on the way out, and then put a very fancy light fitting. I did put a chandelier in here, but it was a bit embarrassing because I put the chandelier in and the electrician did this, and the chandelier hit the door and he goes, "I don't think that's going to work, Kate," which was quite ironic because he'd already asked me, "Would the chandelier work?" And I said, "Oh yeah, it'd be fine. You know, you can put a chandelier anywhere." But actually, practicality, the room's too small. So we found this one, which is a little bit opulent. It's got crystals in it, so it bounces light around really beautifully. So yeah, that's obviously we've got the gold brick tables, which we absolutely love, and you'll see me use those in the showroom. But they're really solid. I love these. So they're not a cheap flip, you know, they're made of aluminium, so they're really sturdy, and they just for a very small table, they add a lot of glitz and glamour. And then, you know, we love our scuba monkey. And this, just for a little life hack, this was actually from Dunelm, so you know, it was only, I think it was about £59, but it just, we don't sell them, and actually I quite liked it. The fabric's actually really beautiful. It's like a really thick velvet, and we love a hack, because we don't want to spend money unless we find something we really want, and that doubles up. And I just put this fringing on myself, just because I can't leave something undone. So just felt that added a little bit more texture. And then behind the shower, you've got these really cool Subway towels, which are actually gold. And everyone was like, "Oh, that's going to look really tacky," but it just, again, it gives another tiny little bit of element of texture, which we really like. And I found this on a very cheap site on online. Again, I don't like overpaying things if the quality's good. I think this only cost us £79, and it does the job, and I think it does really well. And then behind you, sorry, I know I'm concentrating on the small room of the house, but here we have this beautiful luggage rack, which is like, it was meant for a hallway, but I've made it into sort of storage for our towels, bathrobes and things like that. So that's a really good use of something that's not meant to be, but sort of just gives that quirky edge. So yeah, let me walk through. Yeah, that's our downstairs. So hi, today I'm just going to show you around the upstairs of my house. We have just come to the end of our building project, and we're excited to show you how we live in our own home. So today, just wanted to highlight that obviously we've got a two-story height. Took out the middle section, and by doing so made it sort of quite echoey, so I've added this beautiful panelling on the wall. It's acoustic panelling, which you can actually get quite cheaply, and it just gives another texture. So anyone who knows, who follows me, I like texture, so this is what I've chosen. So you're probably going to see everything that you see in our showroom, because I'm a big advocate of what I sell. You've got all of the animal heads, the fantastic chandeliers, the mirrors, and all these things. So just going to show you into our bedroom. perfect. It's not come through. So you've got our bed. Again, it's quite a bougie bedroom because it's got a bathroom and bedroom, so I quite like that open plan feel. And as you can see, I've vaulted all the ceilings, which has allowed me to have these fantastic chandeliers, and exposing the beautiful woodwork that was there. It would have been lost in a dormer bungalow. Let me show you the children's room. So we've got, again, sorry, we're going away next week, so our clothes are on the bed, but you've got this very small bijou bedroom, but again fitted it in a chandelier, vaulted the ceilings, took out all the lower ceilings, added all the beautiful accessories that we do. And then this is our other spare room. So I'll just turn the lights for you. You should have done this before you came and visited. So again, this is our spare room. If you have a look, no wall is free from our fantastic accessories that we absolutely love. And everybody wants a palm tree above the bath, right? And then these are the cabinets that we love and we have in the showroom, and we make every single one into a sink unit.